Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your promo code on OneXBet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in OneXBet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of OneXBet apps on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and you'll be redirected to the another page where you can see other options just down below the deposit option. Once you click on it, you can see promo options on in the screen. Just tap there and finally you can see promo code check. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the promo codes check section where you need to enter your promo code over here on in the screen. And finally click on check option just down below on in the screen, and you will be able to check your promo code. So basically this is how you can check your promo code on OneXBet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.